Hi, good afternoon. Myself, I'm Sarun, and I'm an option trader. So, for the last 3 years, I'm trading, and this is the third year, I guess. So, I was thinking I would like to share my strategy. It's not a strategy or something, this is the exact way how market reacts, like price action. Price action is the basics of the market, and liquidity is the blood of the market, we can say. Okay, so I am not a teacher or anyone, I'm just a trader. So what I'm going to tell you is never use an indicator. Never use indicator for intraday trading. If it is for sim trading or long term, okay, you can use. Never mind. I'm just speaking about intraday trading. Okay, so I'm just here analyzing the market, in which I have already posted in the front page a chart in which I got a reply that how I predicted the movement, etc., etc. It's not about the prediction; it's how the market moves. So I was thinking for the last 2 to 3 days the market is going upwards, and there should be a profit booking. So the profit booking is also somehow a price action should be there. Am I right? So let's see how it works. Okay, here you can see a buy side in a single line, 49,607. Let's click to 1 hour, in which we can see here's the buy side. Okay, so the concept is liquidity. Okay, the buy side means buy side liquidity, where the short sellers kept their stop losses. Okay, if there is any mistake, please do comment or please do message me directly. I will correct it because this is my first video, as you all know. Okay, so this is the buy side, in which what is buy side? Buy side means short sellers stop loss is where they keeps. Okay, that is known as liquidity. So once it's 100, it will give us some liquidity points or something to react. Okay, that is called fair value gaps, imbalance, volume balance, etc., etc. Okay, let it be. So we analyzed from where, from here the market moves upwards. Never mind all this, it's something like order blocks, everything, let it be there. We'll go to that later. So now I'm telling you is that 49,607 was the key level today. Okay, so from here the market was started in a gap up today, and it went all to 49,684. Let it be. We'll switch back to 5 minutes. Okay, so this is where the market breaches. Okay, and it went up and it was there, still there. This candle retraced back and it came down, and from here onwards I think I started posting the chart, in which I will show you. Yeah, exactly. From here I started posting. The price will become here, it will make an up move, and it will taking this low, then it will be taking this high, and once it back to this range 14,607 where our buy side, we can analyze the market and we can take an entry if there is an imbalance, it like fair value gaps or volume imbalance or something. So I don't know whether you people know the FVG concepts or not. Okay, let's say here we have an inversion FVG. I will speak about this later. So 5 minutes inversion FVG, I don't trust that much. Still, this is a short trade, so I just draw a path like this. Okay, exactly, that's how market happens here today. This was the inversion FVG, came down, came up, and it came down. It went up to this high, which has taken the SL, and it came down, closes here. Okay, after this candle, it was like what? Yeah, it is a bull candle, and it means that it will be going upside. No, never take a trade when it is here. Let it go up and retrace. You take a trade. Okay, so it was still in our range, and here from here onwards, after this candle, it started falling. I'm not telling I took trade over here. I'm just not telling like that. Just take it over here or here, anywhere in this range. Keep an SL over here. Okay, so let's say we took a trade over here. Okay, let it be, or else here, let it be, anywhere. Our SL is like this much. What was our prediction? I mean, what was our price action? Our price action was here, I guess. Okay, let's say it's an OB. It's not an OB, still I'm just want to shade it. This was our range of area. How much points? 276 points euros. It was a 1:3 risk trade. Okay, but the market came downwards here. We can understand this by keeping a liquidity here. The buyers should keep an SL over here or here somewhere else here. So the market then it came down, it didn't stop here, it went down liquidity, because here everywhere the liquidity was there. Everywhere the liquidity was there. Okay, it didn't came here. I will tell that later. So our concept was what? Our concept was came here, went up, taken this low. Okay, taken this low and it didn't sustain. It went up where? To this high, to high, and it was in a range. Okay, it didn't sustain here, sustain here, sustain like this. It didn't make any highs rather than that. So we'll analyze was correct, and from here onwards the selling was continuously falling. Okay, that's how we got this much point. It was like almost 300 points or 350 points. Never mind, it is like it will go down. I think from here onwards only it will come down. Okay, so I just don't know what to say. It is like everything is a price action concept. Okay, so the basics is it's a price action concept. Made a high, made a low, it retraced back, it taken out this low, taken, it's an equal high, it didn't taken out, but still we can tell, okay, it retested there, it came back to our zone in which the buy said it closed below. Okay, it closed below and it was consolidating here, and from here it shot downwards to the demand zone. Okay, for me this was the demand zone, but for the market the demand zone was the opening price. I guess here was the opening price. It came down and it shooted up. Shooted up, there's a reason, because it was in golden zone. Golden zone means in the Fibonacci value, so let it be there. And what happened here? When it goes up, it came down also. The reason is that here we have an inversion FPG. This was an FPG. Okay, for FPG bullish. Okay, this was an FPG. Okay, but the price didn't react here. It should react and goes upwards, but it didn't react. Okay, let it be. After closing, it is an inversion FPG. So what happened is that price retraced back. Price came down and it retraced back to this range to fill all the orders, and it came down. Again, what will happen is that it will come down like this, or maybe taken off this high and come down like this. So wait for the proper entry. That's what I'm telling. Everywhere it is an imbalance and everything is there, but our setup is like wait for the proper entry and just trade it. That's all. Okay, so I hope I will get some time for posting another videos like this. I won't share my trading, or I won't give any calls. I will just tell how the trades go, and I will just share my charts in the Telegram or in the front page. That will be helpful for everyone. Okay.